Ready for the most insane gaming gadgets that will take your setup to the next level and turn you into an absolute winner with gear like this? Stay tuned, we're diving straight in. What if you could pull off every combo faster than ever, without a joystick? The 8-bit Do all-button arcade controller is built for speed and precision, perfect for Switch, Switch 2, and Windows. Connect via Bluetooth 2.4 GHz or wired for zero delay. Its ultra-thin design is just 1.6 centimeters, yet packed with 16 hot-swappable Kyle mechanical switches and 4 programmable buttons. Customize every move, just like the pros. At $90, it's esports-grade performance you can take anywhere. And the next gadget might just blow this one away. Stay tuned. Yes, this is real, no gimmick. The Freeaim VR Shoes turn the impossible into reality. Forget clunky joystick controls or awkward teleporting. This is pure natural walking in VR. Thanks to built-in robotics and smart sensors, you can move smoothly in any direction while staying safely inside your play area. The advanced model even autocorrects sideways steps, while the light version is easier on the wallet and works with a support frame. Prices start at around $600, depending on the version. An ideal upgrade for your setup. And it gets absolutely wild when we combine it with gadget number 6. Let's keep going. This will complete your PlayStation 5 setup and take it to the next level. Meet the Flex Strike, the first wireless fight stick developed by Sony for PS5 and PC. First revealed at EVO 2025 in Las Vegas. And now, here comes the insane part. Whether at home or on the go, with ultra-low latency via PlayStation Link or USB-C, you're always ready to fight. Mechanical switches, interchangeable restrictor gates, and an ergonomic durable design make sure every hit lands perfectly. Once it launches, it's expected to cost around $250. Crazy, I can barely wait. But luckily you won't have to wait for the next one. Who would have thought? Now all you need is sound, and that's where the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless takes over. But not in the way you'd expect. I'll explain. With high-fidelity drivers, you get true studio-grade audio, fully customizable through the Sonar software. Explosions, footsteps, voices, every single detail comes through razor sharp. Add 360 degrees spatial audio on top for full surround immersion. Fully supported by Microsoft Spatial Sound on Xbox and Tempest 3D Audio on PS5. And the price? Around $380. Not exactly cheap, but make no mistake. This is a true Champions League headset. This one honestly caught me off guard, because you just don't expect it. And yet, it's absolutely wild. The ROG keyboard with magnetic switches delivers precision down to 0.01 millimeters. Every single key press is lightning fast and tuned exactly the way you want it. Add rapid trigger mode, where keys reset instantly, built for pure esports speed. With tri-mode connectivity and 8K wireless tech, you can even game on up to 5 devices at once, with zero latency. And the price, about $400. An absolute beast of a device, but still just the tip of the iceberg, because the real gadget hits are coming up next. Time for the big stage. I told you something epic was coming, and here it is. Meet the LG UltraGear OLED, a massive 45-inch curved gaming monitor. With its dramatic 800R curve and 21:9 ultra-wide format, it pulls you straight into the action, like you're part of the game itself. But wait, the crazy part is still to come. A blazing 240Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time mean ultra-smooth gameplay. No lag, no ghosting, just raw speed. Of course, all that tech carries a premium, around $1,200. A true monster of a display for gamers chasing total immersion. But hold on, we're about to go even deeper down the iceberg. Time to face the ultimate final boss of gaming setups. This is the exclusive Doom, the Dark Ages hardware collection, forged in partnership with Corsair and Drop, the official hardware allies of Doom. But that's not all, listen up. From keyboards to headsets to full battle station gear, every piece is crafted with designs inspired by the game's most iconic weapons and relics. Crazy, right? Your entire setup in this style, it's next level. The full set costs around $1,500. Check the link in the description. You can also buy the pieces individually, a must-have for every Doom fan. Think you know what this is? Think again. It's nothing like it seems. Well, kinda, but not the way you expect. Meet the Gamester Cyclone 2 wireless controller, the ultimate multi-platform beast for PC, Switch, Switch 2, iOS, and Android. All running on tri-mode connectivity, 2.4 GHz dongle, wired, or Bluetooth. Here's where it gets insane. Mag-Res TMR joysticks deliver lightning-fast, rock-solid inputs, and the micro-switch buttons survive up to 5 million clicks. Precision perfect for competitive play. Snag it now for just $60 on Amazon. And trust me, you're going to want to see the next concept. It's straight up wild. Yes, this is still just a concept, for now. Meet Acer's Project Dual Play, a gaming laptop with detachable controllers for 2 players. The touchpad transforms into a wireless controller in a single move, complete with dual pop-out speakers and 360-degree RGB lighting. The best part? Split the controller into 2 joysticks for head-to-head battles. Perfect for Street Fighter 6 and other multiplayer hits. Switch instantly between keyboard and controller and take your gaming to a whole new level. Expected price? Around $4,000. An absolute beast. Okay, this isn't a concept. It's already available for everyone, and it comes with a special feature, but more on that later. These are the Edifier G2000 gaming speakers. 32 watts of power for PC, Mac, or laptop, with a woofer, Bluetooth, USB, and 3.5mm AUX. Hi-fi sound, mega bass, and 16 watts RMS deliver deep lows and crystal clear highs, perfect for gaming, music, or movies. What's really cool, 3 sound modes for every situation and 12 RGB lighting effects that turn your desk into a full-on gaming show. Available on Amazon for $100. A definite upgrade for your setup. But what do you do when no one hears you? Exactly, this is the fix. Meet the UltraGear gaming microphone, a USB mic built for streaming, Discord, YouTube, Twitch, and everything in between. It comes with a boom arm, shock mount, and pop filter, and its condenser capsule delivers crystal clear voice quality. With just one tap, you can enable noise cancellation or mute yourself instantly, while the gain knob lets you dial in the perfect volume. And of course, it's rocking RGB with 4 modes to light up your setup. The best part? It's only $30 on Amazon. Grab it now and make sure your voice gets heard. What every gaming setup truly needs is great sound and precise control over it to unlock the full experience. The Fosi Audio K5 Pro is a compact DAC and headphone amp that turns your console or PC into a true hi-fi system. With USB-C, optical, or coaxial input, it delivers crystal clear RCA or AUX output with ultra-low noise and enough power to drive even high-end headphones up to 300 ohms. Whether it's gaming, music, or movies, the difference is night and day compared to any onboard sound card. This little powerhouse currently sells for around $90 on Amazon. I personally use it myself and can only recommend it. Let's keep going. Imagine turning your iPhone into a retro console. No joke, that's exactly what Sulra does. This gadget comes with an attachable controller and the Sulra app, transforming your phone into a true portable gaming machine. Thanks to the built-in emulator, you can play classics from 8-bit systems all the way up to more advanced consoles, with real buttons, a D-pad, and start select, instead of clunky touchscreen controls. All your favorite retro games, always within reach, and all that for just $80. A true must-have for nostalgia lovers. For the perfect online match with your crew, you need more than luck. You need stable internet. Enter the TP-Link Archer B550 Wi-Fi 7 router, the next generation of Wi-Fi, faster than anything you've ever used. With tri-band power, it pushes up to 9,300 megabits per second. Whether it's 8K streaming, VR gaming, or lightning-fast downloads, this beast handles it all. For $230, you're getting internet from the future. So ask yourself, invest now or keep suffering bad rounds with your crew? Imagine not just typing, but thinking, and your keyboard keeps up. That's the idea behind the ForgeMaster keyboard, created by the team at Cherracorder. It breaks every rule of traditional keyboards. You can type letters normally, or chord entire words and phrases with a single keystroke, reaching speeds no standard keyboard could ever match. It's not easy to master at first, but the design alone makes it a true eye-catcher. Still in development, it's expected to hit the market soon at around $500. An absolute beast. And the look is just insane. Unreal.